How to deposit a check in Chime using a mobile app. Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to easily deposit a check using the Chime mobile app. This is a quick and convenient way to add funds to your account without visiting a bank. First, grab your phone and open the Chime mobile app. Make sure you are logged in to your account before you begin. From the bottom menu of the app, tap on Move Money. This is where you'll find all the Chime's money transfer options. In the Move Money section, choose Mobile Check Deposit. Next, select what kind of check you are depositing, like a payroll check or a personal check. Make sure your check is eligible under Chime's guidelines. Endorse the back of your check. Then follow the prompts to take a clear photo of the front and back of the check using your phone's camera. Make sure all details are visible and well lit. Enter the amount of the check, review all the details carefully, and tap Submit Deposit. Your check will be processed and the funds will appear in your Chime account once it clears. And that's it. You have deposited your check using the Chime mobile app. Quick, simple, and secure.